Hello, bro. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing fine. Good
What's your
afternoon.
name? Afternoon. What's your name?
My name is Victor.
Victor. Okay, so I am at Plantheus right now, guys. So who are you and what is Plantheus?
Well, Plantheus is it's basically a mobile application.
Okay.
We have a mobile application that can be used to diagnose plant diseases. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Because we understand that every plant has its own specific disease, and
Okay.
rice won't have the same disease as maize. Maize won't have the same disease as yam. So the specific disease and the specific symptoms that they exhibit, using our mobile platform, we're able to diagnose on your phone. Yeah, we're able to diagnose exactly what is wrong with them.
Okay, so how does that work?
Locally, we have the application,
Okay.
and we understand that by the time your crops are having issues, by the time you notice something is wrong, you don't know exactly what is wrong,
Okay.
and you could be guessing and all that. But with this application, you're able to know what is most probably wrong with it. So all you have to do is just tap, and then you take the picture of the disease plant. We don't have a direct disease plant now, but let's take a photo from our gallery. This is as good as taking a picture.
Okay, so this is cocoa, I guess.
This is cocoa.
Okay.
But it's obvious that this is not fresh. Something is wrong, but we don't know exactly what is wrong. So we take the picture and then we click this. It processes the image, and then it tells us what the crop is. It tells us the most probable disease. It tells us the nature, and then it describes it for us. And then we don't just tell you what the problem is. We suggest solutions. We tell you what you could use, how it's transmitted, so you can know what to avoid, how to avoid its spread. And then we tell you the controls, and then we suggest chemicals that you can use for them.
To a local farmer, how do you think you can implement this idea to them?
Yeah, we really are looking to work with the agric extension workers, because we understand that ideally they should get to visit these farmers physically. They should have physical contact with them. So we know they should be more enlightened with things like this for the agric extension workers to be able to operate them. So through them, they serve as a link. They visit the farmers, and then they get to have town hall meetings with them, and then they get their complaints. And there are seasons for each disease for major plants. Farmers don't just plant all kinds of crops. Many of them probably major in just plantain and cocoa at this time. And these diseases, they have their own specific period. So at the period in time when the agricultural worker visit them, we know the prevailing disease. So by the time they get the pictures, and then we get to analyze it, and we know exactly what is wrong, we offer the preventive measures, and then they get to apply it generally across that region.
Thank you so much. This has been very, very helpful. God bless you. I wish you best in all your endeavors. All right. Thank you. Bye.